National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Navarro County in north-central Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Corsicana, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Corsicana, Cairns, Trinidad, Angus, Barry, Navarro, Lake Halbert, Richland Chambers Reservoir, Bryce, Retreat, Oak Valley, Mildred, Eureka, Richland, Streetman, Goodloe, Powell, Emhouse, Mustang, and Chatfield. This includes Interstate 45 between mile markers 213 and 243. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.